Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to implement the Google SMTP settings in OpenAlgo. So let's go to the OpenAlgo here. So from the OpenAlgo, I'm going to go to the profile section and then I'm going to click on the profile. So under the profile, you'll be seeing the SMTP configuration, right? So I'm going to use my personal Gmail to make the configuration. So the personal Gmail configuration recommendation is here. So it's the same thing. So SMTP server is going to be smtp.gmail.com and SMTP port is 587. And then I'm going to use my email ID. My email ID I'm going to use is like rajendran@gmail.com, and I have to get my app password here, not your Gmail password. You have to use the app password. So in order to go and get the app password, right? So you can go to the documentation settings. Under the documentation, you can go to the SMTP settings over here. Under the SMTP settings, you have to come down to the app password setup, right? So first of all, to do that, you have to ensure that the 2FA is enabled under the Google security. So if you go to the Google security, ensure that the 2FA verification step is completed. If not, enable the 2FA step. Once this is done, we go to the app password link. So that will be opening up the app password. You have to enter your login ID credentials. And I'm going to create an SMTP test over here. I'm going to create a new app. Anyways, I'll be deleting it once the session is over. So let me create it. That will be creating an app password. So I'm going to copy this password. I'll come back to my SMTP settings. I'll enter my app password. And then from email, I'm going to set as my email, and the hello host name, you can keep this as the same thing, smtp.gmail.com. and then I'm going to save the SMTP settings over here. And once the SMTP settings is saved, next I'm going to go and test the configuration. So I'll go and say, like, I'm going to send an email to my registered email ID, and then I'll try to send a test. So that should be triggering an email, and you can see that the test is successfully confirmed, which means if you go to your email, right? So if you go to your email, you should be getting an SMTP configuration. So this is a SMTP mail which I got from rajendran@gmail.com. That means the mail configuration is working good, right? Once this is done, now it's time to go and reset the password, right? Let's say I'll go over here and then I'll log out, and then I'll go and give a forgot password. So once I give a forgot password, I'm going to enter my email ID, the registered email ID in OpenAlgo, and then I'm going to click on continue. So this will be asking for two types of verification. One is TOTP authenticator based verification. The second one is like email reset link. So I'm going to click on the email reset link. Now what it does is like it sends an email to your Gmail. So from there you should be able to reset your password. So let me click on that. It sends a password over here. I'm going to click on reset my password, or you can also copy and paste this link as well. Ensure that it is in the same PC where the OpenAlgo is running, if you are running locally, or if you are running from the website. If you are hosting OpenAlgo in the server, it doesn't matter, you can run from anywhere. But if you are running locally in OpenAlgo, ensure that if you are running in 127.0.0.1:5000, generally for testing purpose, your Gmail has to be open from the same place where your OpenAlgo is running, right? So let me click on reset my password, and that will be providing an access to set up the new password. I'm going to set up a new password over here. And once the password is set, right, and I'm going to log in with my new password. So let me enter my new password over here, and that should be making me to connect with the broker. I'll enter the broker credentials, and then I'll enter the TOTP. So TOTP I have to get it from the authenticator. Alright, so you can see that I'm able to log in, right? So if you go to the documentation again, you'll be finding various SMTP settings, not only for personal Gmail. If you are using Google Workspace and if you are having a business account, then the procedure is little different over here. Or maybe if you are using something like Yahoo Mail or your own custom SMTP credentials, you can go and check out the complete documentation over here. So it's highly recommended you use a personal Gmail. That is pretty much easier. If you don't have one, you can try out the other options as well, right? So I hope this helps you understanding how you can set the SMTP credentials and how you can reset the password inside your OpenAlgo. I guess in the next session we'll see you even more interesting concepts. Thank you once again. Bye bye.